In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a project in Freeagent. We'll start with creating a brand new project, then move on to how you can manage it day to day, so everything stays organized and profitable. First, let's set up a project. From the main navigation, go to the Work menu and choose Projects. Here you'll see a list of your existing projects, along with an option to create a new one. You can also get to the same place from the Overview page by using the quick links and selecting New Project. In some cases, you might even start a project directly from an existing contact or estimate, which can save you a bit of time if you're already working with that client. Next, you need to select a contact. This is the client the project belongs to. Start typing their name and pick them from the list. If you don't see them, that means they haven't been added to your Freeagent account yet, so you'll need to create that contact first, then come back to link the project to them. Now give your project a clear and descriptive name. Try to choose something that you and your team will instantly recognize later, especially if you handle multiple jobs for the same client. After that, set the status of the project. You can choose from options like active, completed, canceled, or hidden. This status is important because only active projects will appear in drop-down lists when you're creating new invoices and similar items. A good habit is to keep projects active while you're working on them, then switch them to completed once everything is finished, or canceled if the work doesn't go ahead. You can now add more details. Enter the start and end dates so you have a clear timeline, and decide whether you want to include unbillable time. Including unbillable time can be helpful if you want a full picture of how much effort went into a project, even if you're not charging the client for every hour. Once your project is created, let's look at how to manage it. From the projects list, click on the project name to open its summary page. This is your central hub for everything related to that job. On this page, you'll see an Add New button. This is where you can quickly create items that are automatically linked to the project, like estimates, tasks, time slips, invoices, or expenses. Using this button ensures everything is associated with the correct project, making reporting and billing much easier later on. If you ever need to change key information about the project, such as the name, dates, or status, look for the Edit Details option. This lets you update the project without having to start again from scratch. To keep track of costs, you can link bank transactions to the project. For example, if you buy materials or pay for services related to that project, assigning those transactions here helps you see exactly what you've spent. You can also track time by adding time slips. Record the hours worked on specific tasks so you know how much time is going into each part of the project. This is especially useful if you bill by the hour or want to compare estimated time against actual time. Finally, Freeagent gives you a view of the project's profitability. This brings together your income, your expenses, and both billable and unbillable time, so you can quickly see whether the project is on track financially and learn from it for future work.